back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, we're just kind of like having a hanging out day at home. But yeah, if you're new, make sure to go hit that like and subscribe button. It's totally free and you can always change your mind later. But anyways, my parents just visited us and it was super awesome to see my mom and dad. They don't live as close to us and it was so awesome to see them. The kids also enjoyed it. But yeah, I was thinking we can maybe shop for my mom and dad because they always go all out for Christmas. So yeah, I'm just gonna look at Tokazon real quick. And yeah. Dad, I'm so excited if we can go on vacation. Yep, I'm pretty excited, honey. Yep. Just go ahead and look at this. And you guys know that Ben and Ella are in the playroom just playing a little bit. But yeah.
Oh, this is so fun. I love jumping. I like jumping, but this is my favorite thing. Yeah.
I just found some cute things. Hey, Iris. Yeah, Mom? What do you think about this stuff? Could get for Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, that's super cute, Mom. Okay, let me go get the other kids' opinions. Hey, Ella and Ben.
Hi, Mom.
Can I get your opinions on what to get for Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah. They'll love that, Mom.
Yep, here's Ben.
Yeah.
I want to play so bad.
Yeah, Mom, I love playing.
Okay. Alright, guys, so just gonna keep shopping a little bit. Dad, it's getting really windy. Don't worry, honey. It's probably nothing. It's probably just a slight wind. But Dad, I mean, it's like really windy. Don't worry, honey. We'll be safe. We have a roof over our head. Okay. But, I mean, honey, but like what Iris said, it's actually getting really windy. Maybe you should turn on the news. Okay. Attention Tokaville citizens. There's a huge snowstorm coming. Please, please stay in your own home. We might get a little snowed in though. Back to you, Jeffrey. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be a snowstorm. Wow. We haven't had a snowstorm in a while. Yeah. Classic snowstorm. Alright, let me just go ahead and go tell the kids that the snowstorm is coming. Hopefully they don't like freak out like they did last time. Hey kids, can I tell you something?
Yeah, Mom? Yeah, Mom.
We just looked on the news and it looks like there's a snowstorm coming.
There's a snowstorm coming, Mom?
Yes, honey, but don't worry. We're gonna stay inside and we're gonna stay safe, okay? We have a roof over our head.
Okay. Oh, Mommy, I feel scared.
It's okay, honey. You can stay with me. I can play in here.
I want to stay with you.
Okay. Come on, kids. Why don't we shop for Grandma and Grandpa?
Okay.
Okay, kids. What do you think?
That looks really good, Mom.
Okay. It's getting really windy. Yeah. It's getting super windy. Do kids want to come with me and we can check outside?
Yeah, Mom.
Oh my word. It's super snowy. Wow, okay. Well, we'll probably be snowed in for a little bit. Okay, by me and Dad. Okay, Mom. And we'll stay inside, okay? Okay. Guys, honey, do you want to turn on the news? Sure. Attention all Toka citizens. The snowstorm has passed. Thank you all for your amazing patience during this time. I guess we'll be snowed in for a little bit. Okay, Mom. But tomorrow's Monday, so you kids will probably be off of school. Yay! Yay. Alright, well guys, thank you guys so much for watching. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next video. Bye!